All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to day 9, I believe, of my PM session trading journey. Um, I didn't actually take this trade today, but it was a decent trade I marked out. Friday afternoon, we had Trump speaking at 1. Um, I just didn't really feel that confident in it, even though it hit all my key points and levels and things like that. Uh, I didn't end up taking it. So first things first, as normal, we're marking out 15-minute highs and lows before 1 o'clock. I mean, you can see here we have this high up here, but we already swept that. But then we formed this high with this candle close at 130. This was on NQ. NQ never really made a decent move. We had a retrace off that high right here, but we never got a fair value gap or anything in here. Tapped into to really enter off of. Um, until we get later on in here, but that's after 3 o'clock. I don't like trading after that. But you can see here, price doesn't really go anywhere, goes down a little bit, but nothing to really take on NQ. And on ES, this was the trade I marked out. 1 o'clock's here. We had this high up here along with this high. I really wanted this high or even this high to get taken out before I actually entered. If those levels got taken out, this level at least, I probably would have entered. Um, but it was price action was slow this morning, um, and we had Trump speaking again at 1 or 3 today, something like that. And I didn't want to risk it, and now already up on the day, so didn't really feel like risking it too much. So I figured I'd mark it out, see how it turned out. As you can see here, turns out pretty good. We have 5-minute retrace. Let me mark out that high right here. Get a magnet on right there. Boom. Hit that in blue. 5-minute retrace. Pretty much immediately. 145. Like to see that. 145. 150. The candle closes. Perfect. Immediately get a fair value gap. Get pushed into that. Create a low here. And then continue structure or break structure. Actually, no, you can. Yeah, we broke structure candle off this candle. Continue structure off of that, and that's where I pull my entry point to actually enter. But and then the thing is, with my stop loss, normally I put it right above this first high. Um, as you can see here, I think that would have been wicked out, even though it's equal highs, just because of spreads, maybe. Um, so maybe I would have put that a little higher, like halfway or something, because this is an order block here, pretty decent order block. You can keep that in mind. I'm curious to see what the micro chart looks like on the 1 minute to see if that would have really done anything there. So what do we got here? Oh yeah, we would have been. Um, it's really interesting how different these charts are. So when you're charting, make sure to chart um, on the micro, not the mini chart. Um, yeah, let's see here. We went short there. Yeah, see right there. That does create those equal highs. Um, but yeah, I like to think I would have placed it a little above, like right here, because that's what I normally do, just because of spreads and stuff. That's like if I have a TP here, I move my actual TP to like right below it, just because of spreads and things like that. I mean, I've seen it happen, and people miss out on profits and get wicked out just by a little bit, just because they set it right to the high or right to the low. Um, But I mean, charts aren't perfect. Not everybody's. I mean, ideally, everybody should have this futures chart, but it doesn't always work out like that. Um, and you can see here we are kind of like break even for like almost 10 minutes or a little more than 10 minutes, and then we go into drawdown for another 10 minutes. That would probably have been pretty emotional, just because you're down $400 right here. Almost get wicked out, and almost get wicked out again, almost get wicked out, almost get wicked out, creating equal highs. And I mean, that would be emotionally draining. But then we get a reversal here. Price hits TP1, and then TP2, but just chopping itself up on the way down. I mean, absolutely terrible price action. You can see that here on the 5 minute. Just beautiful accordion pattern here. And if you're trading, I don't know, you can trade sideways, but yeah, just chop, 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 chopping it up all the way down. Price did hit TP though. But Friday afternoon, low volatility normally, which this can we can see with that with the consolidation and chop work. But yeah, that was my PM trade. I didn't take, but I marked out. I'm gonna count as a win. Call it a demo trade or something like that. Yeah, we'll see you guys. Well, I'm gonna make my AM session video right now, but we'll see you guys when we see you. Peace.